Good morning and welcome to Watermark Graphics. In this tutorial, I will be talking about how to remove unwanted substances from designs. If you want to remove unwanted materials or whatever you don't want in a design. So before we continue, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to subscribe to this channel so that you can encourage us to do more of these videos. If you don't have much subscribers to watch our videos, there's no need for. So if you have been enjoying our designs and our tutorials, please subscribe so we can have what's it called, the flair to do more. So in this design, we'll be removing this wire. We'll be removing this particular wire in this design. So what we just need to do is for you to go to your tools, go to remove. It's as simple as ABC. It's as simple as ABC. Just touch it a bit by bit and press on your remove. Sorry, I need that for this. Okay. Press on your remove, then remove. You can see them, just touching it little by little. In Photoshop, we have something that we call content awareness, but this doesn't have. I think this one AI will do it smooth and nice. To do it smooth and nice, do it nicely. So let us take it to the rest. See, it's as clean as we wanted it to be. It's as clean as we wanted it to be. So you can see before, after, before, after, before and after. You can see it. You can see. So let me just try something in this. Let me see, flower vase. Small so that you can it's as simple as that. So you can just press on your save and save this. Okay, so let us talk about removing watermarks too. This will work for watermarks too. To work for watermarks, if you want to remove a watermark from a design, from any type of watermark. So let me check for one of the design I've worked on that has watermark. So let me check on them. Oh, sorry, this tutorial is for educational purpose. Please, it is not for you to use for any other thing. It is basically for education purpose. So this is the design that I got from I got this design from Render Forest. You can see their what's it called? You can see their watermark on it. So you can just click on it and use your remove to take them off. It's gonna do the job perfectly for you. It's as simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. So just be doing it one after the other. It's as simple as ABC. You can see I'm pressing them. As simple as ABC. Gonna take off all the watermarks. Design will be free of watermarks. Anyone left? Remove. So this tutorial is for educational purpose, like I said earlier. So don't use it for any fraudulent act. It's just for education purpose. Please don't use it for any fraudulent act. Thank you. And I think maybe we should do one more. Let's do one more. Let's try one more. Let's try something, maybe something other. Let's see if we can remove this from this glass from this Shutterstock. Just try Shutterstock and see if you can remove it. Let's see. Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. Is it possible? Yes, very possible. Is this possible? Yes, very possible. Yes, of course. This tutorial is for education purpose, not for you to use for any fraudulent act. I repeat, this tutorial It's for educational purpose and not for you to use for any fraudulent act. Thank you. You can see I will take off all this, and we have our design without all this test. You can see how we got rid of it. Even the glass morphism, you can get rid of it if you want, and we put whatever we like there and get rid of it if you want. Voila! And you save this. And we